Alright, so this is a green tea meal cake shipped from Long Island, New York. Ooh. This cake box contains dry ice. Oh, defrost the cake in the refrigerator for 12 hours before serving. Uh-oh. Be careful. Oh god, is it in a whole box? It's not on top?
So.
Okay, hold on. Oh, it's not a top? It's like a... Whoa, hold on. Here, hold this. Okay. Say what? Oh my god. My fingers. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, carry on. Remember, dry ice. How big do you think the cake is inside? Oh. Ah, yes, from Lady M. Where's the dry ice?
Down there. Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. Can you take out just the cake portion of it? Ease of extraction leaves something to be desired.
I need Amazon no.
Hassle-free packaging this is not. Here, just open it. Open the top. Can you just lift it? No, lift the cake.
Lift the cake?
Is it cold?
Yeah. It's like stone.
Oh.
Rock.
Oh my god, this packaging is so heavy. I see it. Bring it over here. Okay, for the record, the shipping cost 50% of the cost of the cake. And that's it. Unboxing the green tea meal cake from Lady M.